Hi, y'all. I'm excited to bring you another activity from our Icebreakers and Team Builders to Build Social Emotional Skills box. This activity is called 5 Words. The objective of this activity is to get to know group members better and to practice interviewing questions. Ideally, you want to break groups out into pairs and give folks about 3 minutes each to ask one another a series of questions. I feel like I might need to show you all an example. Let me see if Shelly, can you help me with this activity?
Hey.
We're doing 5 words, and I was hoping that you can answer a few questions.
Yep.
So I'm just curious, what do you like to do for fun?
I watch anime.
Can you say a little bit more about that?
It's pretty much what my entire house does together. It's kind of our main connecting activity.
What is an important quality you like to have in a friend?
Honesty.
I feel like I knew that about you too. Something that makes you laugh.
Animal GIFs, animal videos.
Aren't you a big pun lover too?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just curious, what is one superhero power that you can share with us?
Deep empathy.
And so if I was introducing Shelly back into the main group, this would be my offering. Shelly was my partner, and they are compassionate, pun-loving, honest, and an animal admirer. Does that feel right, Shells?
Yeah, sounds good.
I'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
So depending on how deep you want to get with this question, you can really get to know one another. And as you can see, it gets a little bit overwhelming because you're actively listening. I would also encourage participants to bring a pen and paper and to doodle what they hear. And what I would also like to do is to bring the group back to the main setting, turn on some music, and give folks maybe 3 minutes or so they can jot down and create their offering to introduce their partner. This is a great activity for a group that knows one another a little bit more, and so you can challenge them to ask deeper questions. You can bring the group back and debrief the activity by asking questions like, how was it to hear an offering? How was it to hear you being depicted in those 5 words? There's some really great social emotional learning questions that you'll see in the card. So give it a try and let us know what you think. See you later. Bye.